What's going on, everybody? This is Dennis, a team member here at Streamcore Productions, and today we're going to talk about autofocus, manual focus, and camera movement with some examples. All right, let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. We appreciate you visiting us again. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can see more content, and make sure to hit the bell notifications as well. Also, you can follow us on social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. Here's the information. Make sure to connect with us. Let's start with autofocus. Now, in this example, if you pay close attention, there's certain pieces of greenery that you can see very clear, in particular one piece, and then there are other pieces that are closer to the camera, but you can't quite see them as clear. That's because we've taken that autofocus box and we've honed in on one particular piece so that is our main focus. Now, in this example, we didn't hit the autofocus button on time, so you can see where it kind of came into focus and it focused on him late. That's something you want to look out for. Now let's talk about manual focus. In this particular example of manual focus, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that the very bottom is out of focus, and then somewhere in the middle it comes into focus, and then again later down the picture, at the top of the picture, is out of focus. But in this example, we reversed it. The bottom is out of focus and everything farther down is in focus, and this can be used to direct your viewer's eyes to a specific point in your video or your picture in this example. So if you're ever shooting a subject that's at a distance and you want your viewers to focus on them, this is where you can implement manual focus. Now we're going to give you some examples of camera movement. There are two videos. They were done in two different ways, and let me know which one you like best. Now in this one, you see the water, and then eventually you begin to see me move, and then I stop, and it's an abrupt stop. Everything is kind of messy, and then you go up again, and then there you go. You reveal this particular small waterfall. Now that wasn't really smooth. We're going to give you an example that works out a lot better. Now in this example, everything is still in the beginning, and then I begin to make small movements in almost like a semicircle, going counterclockwise, very smooth, no abrupt movements, to reveal the same waterfall, and the composition is much better. Now if you like this video, connect with us on social media. You can follow us on Facebook by searching Streamcore Productions, or you can follow us on Instagram at Streamcore Pro A1. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know what you think, and let us know any other videos that you would like for us to cover. Any subjects, anything. We'll make sure to get it done for you.